Ever missed the shot of a lifetime because your camera couldn't keep up? What if you could relive every twist in crystal clear detail, no matter how wild the ride? In this video, I'll show you the 7 best action cameras. In the description, I've left links with the latest prices on Amazon. Let's get started. Number 7. GoPro Hero 9. When you're halfway up a rugged cliff or barreling down a wave, the last thing you want is fuzzy footage. The Hero 9. Black solves this by shooting in 5K, ensuring that every rock texture and water droplet stays razor sharp, even if you zoom in or crop later. That 23.6 megapixel sensor means your videos pop with lifelike color, so your memories look as vivid on screen as they felt in real life. Still photography feels effortless with 20 megapixel super photo images that automatically optimize color balance, contrast, and dynamic range. You'll spend less time fumbling through menus and more time soaking up the view. Plus, your social media feed will thank you for the pro-quality shots. 2 screens give you ultimate control. A front display for framing selfies and vlogs, and a responsive rear touchscreen with pinch to zoom. No more guessing whether your shot is level or well composed, even under bright sunlight. Coupled with hyper-smooth stabilization and in-camera horizon leveling, your footage remains silky smooth through every bump and jolt. Tap the link in the description to check it out. Number 6. DJI Osmo Action 3. Imagine gliding down a snowy slope or soaring through the sky, with every nuance captured in vivid detail. The Osmo Action 3 records in 4K HDR with 10-bit color depth, bringing out over 1 billion colors so that shaded forests and sunlit peaks look natural and immersive. When terrain gets rough, Horizon Steady technology keeps your horizon perfectly level, allowing your viewers to feel the thrill rather than endure motion sickness. Whether you're cycling rocky trails or jumping from airplanes, your footage remains ultra-smooth without an external gimbal. Built for extremes, this camera shoots continuously for up to 160 minutes, even in temperatures as low as -20 degrees Celsius, and dives to 16 meters underwater without extra housing. That means fewer interruptions and more uninterrupted exploration from mountain summits to coral reefs. The dual hydrophobic touchscreens let you adjust settings and review footage with wet or gloved hands, and the quick-release mounting design secures the camera in seconds on chest straps or backpack loops, so you spend less time fiddling with gear and more time living the adventure. Check out the link in the description to see more. Number 5. Insta360x5. What if you could capture a full panorama of your surroundings and choose the best angle afterward? The Insta360x5 offers immersive 8K 30 frames per second 360-degree video with dual 1x1.28-inch sensors for astonishing clarity. You record every possible perspective, then simply pick and share the perfect view. Low light? No problem. Its triple AI chip design powers advanced noise reduction and image processing, delivering crisp, vibrant footage at dawn, dusk, or under tree cover. You'll never lose details to grainy shadows again. The invisible selfie stick effect lets you craft cinematic third-person shots without visible equipment, and InstaFrame mode instantly generates flat, share-ready clips for quick social media uploads. It's ideal for both seasoned creators and complete beginners. Flow state stabilization combined with 360-degree horizon lock ensures that your footage stays stable through flips, bumps, and rotations. No gimbal required. Waterproof to 15 meters with a 185-minute battery and one-tap AI editing in the companion app, the X5 makes capturing and sharing your world effortless. If you liked it, check it out by clicking the link in the description. Want free shipping and fast delivery on your products? Try Amazon Prime. There is a 30-day free trial linked in the description. Number 4. Eagle Y15 PROMAX. For those who demand DSLR quality results in a compact package, the Eagle Y15 PROMAX records in 4K 30 frames per second and captures stunning 20 megapixel stills. Your mountain bike descents and freediving excursions come through with razor-sharp detail and vibrant color. Dual IPS touchscreens, a 2-inch rear display and a 1.4-inch front screen let you tweak settings and preview your framing instantly, even when wearing gloves or in wet conditions. No more fumbling with tiny buttons in the middle of your adventure. Electronic Image Stabilization version 2.0 and a 6-axis gyroscope work in tandem to smooth out rough trails, while built-in wind noise reduction and external microphone support keep your audio crystal clear, so your commentary and ambient sounds stay crisp. Housed to withstand depths of 99 feet With rubberized grips and heat dissipation technology, the i15 PROMAX thrives in sand, surf, and sun. Its built-in Wi-Fi and loop recording feature transform it into an instant dashcam or live stream tool, ensuring you never miss a moment. I've left the link in the description. Number 3. Insta360 Ace Pro 2. When only cinema quality will do, the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 steps up with a 1x1.3-inch sensor paired with a Leica Summerit L lens to shoot 8K video with 13.5 stops of dynamic range. That translates to rich color, deep shadows, and stunning highlights, even under challenging lighting. Its dual AI chips, one dedicated to professional imaging and another for advanced processing, double computing power over its predecessor, delivering superb low-light performance up to 4K 60 frames per second in pure video mode. Night rides and indoor skate sessions look crisp and vibrant. An innovative WindGuard hardware system and refined audio algorithms ensure your voice and ambient sounds remain clear, not overwhelmed by gusts or engine noise. Active HDR at 4K 60 frames per second balances highlights and shadows in real time for truly cinematic clips. For more opinions, see the link below. Number 2. EUROSI. For adventurers on a budget who refuse to compromise, the EUROSI delivers silky smooth 4K at 60 frames per second and crisp 48 megapixel photos. Its 6-axis electronic image stabilization vanquishes shake whether you're biking down trails or catching waves. Rated IP68 waterproof to 15 meters without extra housing, your audio stays clear and lenses stay fog-free, even in rain, reef, or snow. Rain or reef, your footage remains pristine, no bulky cases required. The 170-degree wide-angle lens and 8x digital zoom let you capture epic panoramas or tight close-ups with ease. A 64GB memory card and two 1,350 mAh batteries give you 170 minutes of uninterrupted recording. The included 2.4 GHz wrist remote starts and stops recording from 10 meters away. Perfect for solo adventurers. Built-in Wi-Fi and a companion app let you share your adventures on social media in seconds, so your friends never miss a moment. Did you like it? In the description, you can find the link for more details. Number 1. SJCAM C300. Imagine never swapping batteries again on a weekend epic. Thanks to the C300's dual battery design, you get up to 420 minutes of continuous recording on a single charge. That's enough to cover multi-day events without pause. Shooting in 4K and capturing stunning 20-megapixel stills, the C300 ensures every moment, far-off landscapes or close-up action, comes through crystal clear. Then, with fast USB-C transfers, you can upload and share instantly. Built to IP68 standards for 50-meter dives, sand, and snow, and featuring electronic image stabilization, version 2.0 plus advanced noise reduction, your videos stay smooth and your audio stays clear under any conditions. Equipped with helmet, handlebar, and more mounts, loop recording, and USB-C fast charging, the C300 adapts to every scenario. It's the ultimate go-anywhere, shoot-anything camera that keeps you focused on the thrill while it handles the capture. If you're interested in this model, the link is just below. Well, that concludes our review of the 7 best action cameras you can get right now. If you are interested in any of them, all the links are in the description. You can check the current prices or get a deal. And hey, there's also a free trial of Amazon Prime. 30 days, no shipping costs, faster delivery. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more top picks like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.